Hello everyone, on an Android phone, how do you send your current location on WhatsApp? I will tell you how. So first, open your WhatsApp and tap on any chat you want to send your current location. Current location means wherever you are right now and it will not move like live location, right? So you go to a chat and you tap on that pin option besides the camera one and you see option of location, the location symbol. You tap there and you will get this on your screen. Right here there are two things mentioned: share live location, share your current location. Right, so you tap on send your current location, which means that it is accurate up to 15 meters, right? So it is not like exactly, but it is like up to 15 meters, right? So that is the whole difference between live location and current location, right? That's how we do it. See you in the next video. And now the other person can see your current location. That's how we do it. See you next video. Ta-da.